Here's Dave. We want to walk you through what to expect hour by hour. So let's have Dave pick that up.
Yeah, Bill, well, we're seeing the flood advisory right now. Now, watching this closely here, very heavy rain just off the coast. There is the coastline, watching that closely here. Even a few lightning strikes in there off and on, but it is moving from south to north, so just along the eastern side of this advisory area, which is off the coast. Now, it may try to drift west just a bit. There's a heavier shower there around Little Haiti. That might go right over this advisory area. Moving at about 25-30 miles an hour. It's small, so it won't be around long, but you do see we may add to these rainfall amounts. This is estimated by the radar. We had flood advisories earlier here in Broward County. We had rainfall like this yesterday. Bullseye right over Sawgrass Mills Mall, 2 to 3 inches of rain. So on top of this, additional rain will easily lead to more flooding. Seeing we're getting a little break right now, just some light to moderate rain continues to push south. But again, we'll watch this closely as it continues to move north. Till about 6:15, this flood advisory in effect, but more rain's going through the area, so this may be extended here, but at least they're seeing a little break, and it's just that will continue to move to the north. And I'll look farther south now in the lower Keys. This is the activity increasing in intensity. These are showers, even a few squalls there to the south with some lightning strikes. All this activity filling in. We'll slowly start to spin up and go right over the area here later this evening. We're at just before 5 o'clock right now. We're starting with the computer forecast, but later this evening, 8, 9 o'clock, individual stronger showers and storms with gusty downpours moving in, getting these waves of rain coming in. We'll see a little break before this develops. This will be overnight tonight. A lot of the activity coming in then. Strong to even severe storms are possible as these work their way through the area here. That is by 3 o'clock in the morning. This risk here is a slight risk for severe weather. With the wind set up, these storms may try to rotate a bit, so an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Strong wind gusts as these storms continue to push through. Flooding threat overnight tonight, early tomorrow, but then we'll start to see things tapering off. Maybe a few storms around, but overall the big area of rain will be moving off the coast. That's 11 o'clock. There it is overnight tonight. These are the heavier downpours coming in. You'll wake up to this from 4 to 5 o'clock. Still some isolated strong storms. 6 o'clock, that's morning time. The rain's still coming down, but between about 7 and 8, it slowly starts to push off the coast. Then about 10, 11 o'clock, that rain moves off, and then after that, the storm develops off the east coast, continuing to slide by to our north, and we'll see things improving here at least, not drying out completely, but improving. Latest information, you see where the storm is and you see where all the activity is. So even though the storm itself is well to the west and tracking to the north, turning to the northeast, it's this area here that is the concern, because along with the heavy rain, we have to talk about tropical storm winds. There's the forecast cone, but now we're focused on the impacts because outside of that cone, you could see tropical storm force winds there overnight tonight, early tomorrow, or even gusts. And then that moves away and takes the strong winds with it throughout the day Saturday. So even though the rain will be tapering off, it'll still be pretty gusty here, and individual storms could contain strong tropical storm force wind gusts, but the storm then tracks off to the east. If it does develop, becomes a tropical storm, we'll call it Alex. 77s right now, the winds out of the southeast, about 10-15 miles an hour, a little stronger in Key West. You have some stronger gusts. Extended forecast has these alert weather tomorrow for all the activity overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, but then we'll get a little more sunshine in the afternoon. Then we're into typical summertime weather here with the sun coming back. The storms are around Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll keep this going, but we'll drop the numbers a bit into the upper 80s there by the middle of next week.